Yo, what's up, people? It's your boy Melvin, and today I'm gonna show you another series of what I call toys that you may not have heard of, and this might be the first time that you will be seeing these toys. And I want to show you this birds over here, and they are actually called digibirds. So they sing, they make bird sounds, and they move their head. There you go. See? Pretty awesome, right? Actually, their bird sounds are different from each other. It's different from um, bird compared to another bird, to that one, and to that one. So that is what it does if it is on the, what do you call this? There's a name for it. There's solo mode. Now let's put it on the choir mode. This one too. Choir mode. And this one too. As well as this. Okay. Now, actually there is an app that you can use for this digibirds. So let me just check current song, and then let's try back. Let's try Old Lang Syne. There you go. I think the other birds are low battery, that's why they cannot follow the tune that you have on this application. Let's try another one, Brother John. Right, it's pretty cool. Now I got them for a steal. I think I got them for $50. That's how cheap I got them for. And I'm trying to collect every color of them. I got extra for this, but I'm gonna be selling that one. So I think that will be all for now. And it's your boy Melvin. I'm out.